Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR50. This extra long wheelbase vehicle is a 17-seat minibus and is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 122 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 6-speed manual transmission and down to the rear wheels. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver, and across the front of the vehicle we'll find a half-painted front bumper, complete with a chrome stripe across the radiator grille. Down below, the vehicle sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find some barn doors. These come complete with heated rear windows as well as a wash wipe system. Helping you get in and out of the rear of the vehicle, there's a step in the rear bumper. Opening up the barn doors and taking a look into the back of the vehicle, there is a fair amount of storage space here, useful for storing luggage or other items. On the passenger side of the vehicle there is a single sliding door with some yellow handrails for passengers that require them. A total of 14 seats in the back with windows all round, as well as a sunroof letting plenty of natural light into the back of the vehicle. Taking a look up front in the driver's cab area, we'll have a singular seat for the driver. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. These 3 seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a composition media radio and Bluetooth system that also features some inputs. Up top on the dash we have a digital tachograph. Beneath the radio system we'll find the climate controls, and the vehicle also comes with an Eberspracher independent D2 heater, allowing for a controlled temperature within the whole of the vehicle. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used extra long wheelbase 17-seater executive minibus. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.